This presentation summarizes a research project about the importance of implementing an asset management information system within local government Australia. In order to adopt and apply a proper asset management framework, the local government asset management team should identify what level of detail they require to capture the data and what systems and tools they need to support them along the journey of asset management. Therefore, the aim of this study is to identify the importance of developing and implementing an asset management information system in the local government. The local government sector in Australia has a huge task managing the local roads networks and community infrastructure assets. According to Australian Local Government Association Strategic Plan 2017 to 2020, councils manage around 657,000 kilometers local road networks, which is about 75% by length of all roads, and value more than $136 billion. Local government is also responsible for extensive community infrastructure with an estimated replacement value of $426 billion. Councils manage a range of assets including road, bridges, transportation assets, open space and recreational assets, drainage and buildings, and some councils are local water authority and they manage water supply system and sewerage networks. As mentioned, council owns and manages diverse range of assets to deliver service to the community. So council needs to have an appropriate asset management framework to assist them in managing community assets and meeting their community expectation. The question is, what tools and systems council use to manage these infrastructure assets? Infrastructure International Management Manual defines system and tool as one of the main enabler component in overall asset management framework. Council might use a different range of systems and tools including spreadsheets, corporate system, GIS, or a standalone system such as paper management system in managing their assets. To get a start on the journey, a simple information management system such as Excel spreadsheet might be adequate. This depends on the maturity level of the council as well as the size and complexity of the asset network. As council evolves in its asset management journey, a software solution can be justified and various components and functions of asset management system can be utilized. In a contemporary asset management practice, a fully integrated computerized asset management system for asset management seems a very beneficial option to choose. The question is, what is asset management information system? An asset management information system is a computer-based system with various functions which is designed to assist the user in managing their assets. Asset management information system is a combination of processes, resources, data, software, and hardware applied to provide the essential outputs for effective asset management. There are some essential elements that needs to be considered prior to developing an asset management information system. An appropriate governance and management structure should be in place. Level of data required for core business function of the council needs to be identified. System needs to have ability of the extension of the function to meet long-term needs of the council. The ease and efficiency of the system for the user needs to be considered. System needs to be able to integrate with the existing different softwares and systems available in the council. The resource required to implement and maintain asset management information system needs to be identified at the beginning of the project. A consistent corporate approach to system development needs to be in place. And finally, effective documentation and business process needs to be developed. Asset management information systems should be selected to support both day-to-day asset operational management and long-term planning. Usually there are two functionality within a system, core functionality and advanced functionality. Physical attribute of asset, location, condition data, valuation data, maintenance record, these type of activities sits under core functionality. And high advanced functionality such as predictive modeling, risk management, data interfacing, performance monitoring, and life cycle cost analyzing sits under advanced functionality. Although many organizations select an asset management system primarily for storage of their data, it is ideal to consider software or system that has the ability for modular extension. As organizations evolve in their asset management maturity, they will have an option to utilize other functionality of the system.
The next question is, why computerized asset management information system? What are the benefits? The system can provide a centralized database with ability to manage complex assets, a consolidated asset register for all the asset classes managed by Council. There is an opportunity to utilize in-house resources and potential cost saving. Optimized decision making through a strategic modeling of the assets is one of the other advantages. The system can generate forward capital work program and schedule maintenance. Reliable valuation, reporting, and output to long-term financial plan is one of the other advantages of using the computerized asset management information system. In the next couple of the slides, positive experience of 3 councils that successfully develop asset management information system will be reviewed.
Singleton Council. This section is based on the personal experience of the presenter as an employee of Singleton Council. Singleton Council is a local government area in the Hunter region of New South Wales with a population of 22,000 people. Council manage infrastructure asset valued at over $961 million. Singleton Council selected corporate information management system initially to focus on their core business functions such as finance, payroll, customer management system. This evolved to include more advanced function over the time and including asset management function to the system. To date, Singleton Council has implemented Corporate Asset Management System Authority, including different modules: asset register modules, maintenance management modules, asset inspection module, capital value register module, and strategic modeling of the assets. As mentioned, Singleton Council has fully implemented asset management information system and utilized various modules of the system. To prove this evidence, an independent audit in September 2019 deemed that Singleton Council had reached an advanced level of competence in its asset management system and knowledge. Following are some of the benefits that Council could achieve by utilizing asset management information system. Centrally stored and corporately available data sets for all the asset classes, a consolidated asset register, utilizing in-house resources, effectively manage a diverse and complex range of the assets, and finally, full life cycle analysis and forward modeling of the assets. The next successful experience is from Dubbo City Council. Dubbo is a major regional city in central New South Wales with a population of 41,000 people. Council manage infrastructure asset valued at over $1.9 billion. Dubbo City Council commenced its Superior Asset Management project in July 2012. The objective was to undertake a full review of council asset management practices and processes to provide an accurate understanding of current and future infrastructure requirements. Four major areas reviewed as part of this project was system and data collection, condition assessment, unit rate verification, and useful life audits. As part of this project, Council fully implemented asset management information system. One of the main parts of this project was collation of all major asset components into the system that enable interrogation and modeling. One of the key outcomes of implementation of asset management information system for Double City Council was an independent audit in March 2015 deemed that Double City Council had reached an advanced level of competence in its asset management practice and knowledge. Council was able to estimate realistic backlog as a result of accurate data and robust system to manage the data. And without doubt, one of the main critical success factors that have enabled this project to proceed its objective was detailed asset knowledge and system. Final case study is from Orange City Council. Orange is a city in central west region of New South Wales with a population of over 40,000 people. Councils manage infrastructure assets valued at over $1.6 billion. Prior to 2011, asset data in this council was held in a series of spreadsheet, standalone databases, and geographical information systems. At that time, a decision was made to utilize the Corporate Information System Authority to capture all asset data and providing a consistent approach to management of this information. Since 2011, Council has implemented asset management information system successfully. Key outcomes of implementing asset management information system for these councils are Asset Management Information System is now seen as the single point of truth for all infrastructure asset data and is accessible by everyone in the Council. Enhancements were made to the asset management process with the introduction of the Strategic Asset Modeling modules in 2014, and as a result, Council was able to carry out forward modeling of the asset in-house. To continue the research on this subject, 10 survey questions have been designed in the SurveyMonkey to cover the key practice of asset management information system in the local government Australia. There were a total of 91 responses participating in this survey. 39 of those responses were from New South Wales councils and they provided the full details. 52 responses either didn't provide the specific details or from other councils across Australia. For the accuracy of analysis, those respondents that did not provide detail or were from other councils across Australia were excluded from the result. The analysis focused on the 39 respondents from the New South Wales Council. Following survey question structure in the online survey. How do councils manage their assets? Which infrastructure asset classes are stored in a dedicated asset management information system? If the council uses a computerized asset management information system, what level of the data are important for them to capture? And if they use asset management information system, what modules of the system they are using? What tools council use for predictive modeling of their assets? What integration is important for them? And who are the target users in their council? What are the biggest challenges council face in data management? What resources they have for implementing the system? And what is their time frame for developing and implementing the system? In the 10 different areas that online survey structure, results were conclusive in determining that survey council realize the need to utilize a system to manage their data in a carefully planned and structured way and convert the data to the knowledge. Asset Management Information System is a versatile system for recording and data management for various types of the assets. The majority of respondents rated the most important function of asset management information system is the data details, including description of the asset, location, and condition of the assets. Development of advanced function of asset management information system, such as strategic modeling, is less important for the Survey Council at this stage. Asset management system maturity of the councils are still between basic and intermediate level. The situation of each council for tools they are using for forward modeling is quite different. Range of application use including NAMS+, computerized strategic asset management systems, and others standalone systems such as payment management system. More investigation is required in this area. Significant number of respondents have identified that integration to all the available systems such as GIS finance system is an important relationship. This indicates that council realize the benefit of this integration. The majority of respondents support corporate function of asset management information system and accessibility of the various modules of the softwares to all the council staff. Lack of centralized system and handling multiple systems identified as the highest rated challenge among the survey councils. Lack of skills and expertise of the user and also lack of system support were the next highest rated challenge among the respondents. And finally, more than 50% of respondents have already developed early stage of their system, which is a very positive outcome and shows council realize the importance of having an asset management information system. As a result of this research project, following items are recommended. Councils need to select asset management information system appropriate to their needs. Asset management information system should be flexible to enable feature enhancement. Asset management information system needs to have ability to integrate with the council's existing softwares and systems. Council needs to invest on training of the staff for fully utilizing all the modules of the system in-house. And finally, implementation of asset management information system cannot be done successfully without the support of senior management, proper project planning, and continuous improvement. In the end, this research project highlights the fact that implementation of asset management information system takes time and effort, but the results are worth the effort. In summary, the implementation of computerized asset management information system is beneficial to councils because it is a one-stop shop view all of the relevant information about an asset from the one screen. It has ability to integrate with existing softwares and systems, and users don't need to open multiple applications. It centrally stores and manages all assets under the control of council. It supports accurate asset valuation, reporting, and job costing activities, and it provides output to long-term financial plan. It provides the critical inputs for effective strategic asset management. Councils are able to generate accurate forward capital works and schedule maintenance work. It enhances optimized decision making. Councils are able to utilize their in-house resources to operate and manage the systems. And finally, there is a potential saving in cost by utilizing in-house resources versus utilizing external resources and services.
Thank you for taking time to watch these PowerPoint presentations.